Hello everyone, in this video we'll know what are prefabs, how to make them, how to use them, what are their mechanics and all. So make sure you watch till the end to know everything about prefabs. Prefabs are generally instances of game objects in our body. Here we see we have a sphere. So this is a very normal sphere, 3D sphere. So if we go to our materials tab and select a blue one and apply to it, it is now a blue sphere. Okay, so if I want to make a prefab out of it, like if we want to make multiple instances of it, then we'll just take the sphere, we'll take the sphere and drop it into our prefabs folder. Make a new prefab folder and drop it inside here. Now you can see the sphere has a blue box to it. So now it's a prefab. It is now a prefab. This is all our these are all the components which it has a sphere, collider, mesh renderer, and now it is a sphere. You can see here we have our prefabs. So now we can have multiple instances of it. One over here, one over here, one over here, like multiple instances. All have their same properties, all same. The position and rotations are all different because these are placed randomly, not like for position, these are getting these are in bold, which means it is not the same as the parent prefab. So these are all different from each other, from the parent one, of course. And we can see here multiple instances are being created, this being the main one and this 3 being the child one. So now what we can do is in our material folder take a red one and drop it inside it. So now you can see the advantage of using prefabs are we can duplicate, basically we can duplicate it however times we want and then customize it as we want. So you can see here there are highlights in the sphere 2 and sphere 3 because they are different from these ones. So we can apply it directly to our parents. If we select it and overrides revert all, so it has been reverted to its default setting. And if we take the red one and override it to apply all, then every prefab is now the same. The parent one is exactly the same as the edited one. So in our game, if we make for example, if we have lots of trees, hundreds and hundreds of trees, thousands of trees, let it be. So if we make changes in one and we get to know that it is looking good or it is behaving good, then we have to change every thousands of trees. So that is very hectic. So in prefabs, if we make a prefab out of the tree and drop it 1,000 times, and then if we change just one prefab and we can apply it to everyone, so a lot of work is being saved and we can use it to our advantage. So this is all of prefabs. If you want a dedicated detailed video, then let me know in the comments. I will surely make a detailed video and a very good roadmap and structured videos are coming soon. So make sure you subscribe and drop a like. Thank you.